Welcome students. In previous class we have learned about differentiation, which is part 1 of maths which is using in physics, simple maths which is used in physics. In our second part we will learn a new topic which is logarithm. Logarithm is just used to solve a complex number. It is used to solve complex number. If I give a definition, that definition is that it counts the number of occurrence of the same factor in repeated multiplication. How it does? It counts number of occurrence of the same number of the same factor or number in repeated multiplication. We will see it by just one example. You will clear the doubt. Okay. It's a symbol of logarithm is written like log, which is log. Okay. Here we have to write something. Log of something is equal to answer. Let log of something with something is x. Here we have written b. Here b stands for base, and whose answer is y. I am taking example 1000. We know that 1000 is nothing but a 10 into 10 into 10. Here you can see the definition counts the number of occurrence of the same factor in repeated multiplication. 10 is coming how many times? 3 times. So we can write 10 raised to 3. 10 which is occurrence repeated multiplication. It is in repeated multiplication. Okay. So we can write here 1000 is equal to 10 cube. If I want to convert it into logarithm, so how can I write? How can write it? Log of what is repeating here? 10 is repeating, so we will write 10 at a base. Okay. How much time it is coming? 3 times. And what is the answer? 10 cube, which is 10,000. So this we have to write here. This we have to write here, which is on base, and power, it is our answer. So if 1000 is given, so we can write it is in 10 cube in simple form. And if we want to write in logarithm, so we have to take repeated number at a base as a base, question as a x, and power as a answer. So log of 1000 when base is 10 is given by 3. Okay. So I can write this as a x is equal to b raised to y. It means if x is equal to b raised to y, then we can write it as a log as a b log x base b is equal to y, or vice versa. Generally 10 or e is taken as a base in physics. Right now we will take generally 10 and e as a basics. And how can we find log for different values? We will see later. Just right now remember that base is 10. Okay. Now, what about E? E is a constant whose value is 2.718. We are not using this right now, it is in a higher standard. Just now we are using base as a 10 only. Okay. Okay, to find a logarithm, we required one book, and which is this logarithm and mathematical tables. I am opening this, and you can see this table. Okay, you can see here it is written logarithm. Okay, it means from this we can find logarithm. Here whatever values are given, they have taken base as a 10. So from this log book we can find logarithm having base 10 only. Okay, how can we find? Just now we are seeing. Okay, now you can see that here three columns, main columns are there. One column is this first column. You can see that numbers are written under numbers starting from the 10. Here it is 54, and on the second page it is 55 to 99. So you can find the log of the values between 10 to 99. Okay, so minimum 2 digits are required to find the logarithm, and maximum 4 digits are required. Okay, second, you can see these columns which are written 0 to 9, and these numbers having different values, you can see. Okay, and this 0 to 9 is known as the difference. On in the second last, it is written 1 to 9, and its meaning it is mean difference. Okay, how can we find? Let's take an example. Okay, just right now I am writing mean value, difference, and mean difference. Here it is written 10, 11 up to 99. Here columns are written 0, 1, 2 up to 9. In mean difference it is 1, 2 up to 9. Okay, chalo, let's take an example. Example 1. I want to find log of 1, 2, 3, 4. As you know, we required 4 digits to find logarithm, minimum 2, maximum 4. Okay, so we are having 4 digits, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now see in the main value, we required how many we minimum requirement is 2 digits. So first 2 digits are to be taken as a main value. Third digit is taken as a difference, and last digit is taken from the mean difference. First 2 from the mean value, third one from the difference, and fourth one from the mean difference. Okay, so I am writing here, write 12 as a mean value, 3 is a mean difference, and 4 it is a 3 is a difference and 4 is a mean difference. Okay, how can we see? Let's check. Now in mean value find 12. Where is 12? You can see 12 is here. What is difference here? 3. So find difference 3 here. Match the column and row from here to here. Here 3 and here 12. What is the number you will get? Just note down that number. 3 column, 12 row. That number is, you can see the number 899. So write down here 0899. Okay. Another requirement is 4. So again, see the 12 go in the 4, which is in mean difference now. Mean difference 4 here, 12 is here. Go and find 12 and 4. What is the value? You can see 14. 14. Just add both of them. What you have done, just remember, we have seen the value of 12 in difference 3, which is 899, and then see the value of 12 in mean difference 4, whose value is 14, and add both of them. So by adding both of them, you can give answer 0913. Okay, so you will get answer is 0913, but it is not your answer. One thing that you have to do, you have to count the number. How many numbers are there? 1, 2, 3 and 4. 4 digits are there, not numbers, but 4 digits are there. Subtract 4 digits, subtract 1 from the 4 digits, so you will get 3. What is the step? Count digits, and digits are before decimal point. Here in this example, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 digits are there. Subtract 1 from 4. So your answer is 3. So now put these 3 here and put point. So you get log of 1, 2, 3, 4 is 3.0913, whose base is 10. Just taking another example. Second, log having 10, 1, 2, 3.4. Okay. How many digits required? Again, 12, 3 and 4. See the value of 12 in difference 3. Again same answer, 899. Mean difference of 4 of 12 is 14, so you will get 0913 only. Okay. Next, what is the next step? Count digits before decimal point. It is decimal point, before decimal point, so how many digits are there? 1, 2 and 3. Okay, so 3 digits are there. Subtract from these digits, so 3. 1 minus 3, how much? It is 2. So your point, and it is 2. So answer of 123.4 is 2.0913. Another example. Same number I am taking, but just the digits are changing, decimal points are changing. Now 12.34. So again same procedure. Main digits 12, difference 3, answer 899. 12 in mean difference 4 is 14, also answer is 0913. Now count the digits. Before decimal point 2 digits are there, subtract 1 from these digits, so 1.1, so you get 1.0913. Fourth, it is 1.234, so same answer is 0913. 12 difference 3, mean difference 4. Okay, so here point is here. Before that only one digit is there, 1 minus 1 0, so you have to put 0.0913. so it is your answer. Let's take another example. Log of 59.85. 59.85. So we have to take two digits, difference 8, mean difference 5. So what we will see the difference 8 and here 59. So here in log we will see where is 59. In here it is 10 to 54, and here it is 59. Mean difference is 8, so here it is 8 and 59. What is a matching number? It is 7767. You can see 8, 59, 7767. So write here 7767. You don't have to write, you have to just write this in rough work. Okay, mean difference 5, number 59. 59, mean difference 5. 5 column, 59 row, and number is 4. You can see this number. Okay, so adding this number here, add both of them. 7 plus 4 11, 6 plus 1 7, 7 7. So you have to write 7771. How many digits? 1 and 2 digits are there. 2 minus 1 1, so point and 1. So it is your answer of log 59.85, which is 1.7771. Hope you are understanding this. Now if a 0 point something value is given, means like log 0.1234 now is given. So again we require two digits. If we take 0 1, but we don't have main value 0 1, we are having which is starting from the 10, so it is, then after we have to take the value which is 12. So 12, 3 and 4, we have already seen that its value is 0913. Okay, now 0 is not a digit, right? So if directly cut it, means 0 minus 1, and its answer we will write like this. It is not correct. we don't have to write minus 1.0913. We have to write 1 this 0.0913, and it is read as a 1 bar. Just remember this, what we have to write, 1 bar 0.0913. Okay, another example I am taking. Log of 0.1111. Now 2 digits 01 can't take, so 11, difference 1, mean difference 1. Let's see in the table. 11, here it is 11, mean difference 1, value is 0453. 0453. 11, mean difference 1, it is 4, so adding 4 here, so you will get 0457. So here it is 0457, but dot again you can see here it is 0 minus 1, it is minus 1. We will not write minus 1, we have to write 1 bar. So your answer is 1 bar 0.0457. If you want to write answer in minus, so there is a simple maths that you have to do. Okay, just now I am taking, we have to find that log of 0.1234 is 1 bar 0.0913. Okay, but I want to write it in minus sign, so how can I write it? So just separate both of them, means decimal point, value before decimal point and value after decimal point. So here it is decimal point, value before decimal point 1 bar, and after decimal point I am writing 0.0913. It is actually 0.913, but it is just 0.913, not, it is also written as a 0.913. Okay, or you can do just take, consider it is minus 1.0913. okay, what is a higher value than this, lower higher value than this in positive? It is 1, so positive higher value is 2, so just subtract 2, subtract this value from the 2, it means 1.0913 you have to subtract from the 2, and you will get 0.9547. okay, so what we will write, 0.9547, but with negative sign. It is just a simple rule that we have to follow. What we have done, we have considered it as a minus 1.0913 and subtracted this from the higher value of positive term, which is 2. Just for this, doing this, log 0.111 is given, whose answer is 1 bar 0.0457. okay, so what we have to done, minus 1.0457, higher value from the 1, higher value than the 1 is 2 minus this, what is it, 2, or it is wrong, it is 0. 9087. Subtraction is wrong actually. It is 0.9087. Okay, so your answer is minus 0.9087. And about this, it is 0.9547 43, not 7, 43. So you have to write minus 0.9543. Another example I am taking 8. If a value is 0.00781, we have to find log whose base is 10. Again, 2 digits, 00 not given, 07 is not given, so we have to take 78 1. Next digit is not given. We require 4 digits. Okay, if 4 digit is not given, so we will consider it as a 0. Okay, or we doesn't require this. Okay, now what we will see the value of 78 in difference 1. 78, here it is 78, difference 1 here, first column, 78 and 1, it is 8927. So we will write 8927. Now see, in this digit, and in this digit, there is a one difference. You can see here only 1 0 is there, but here how many zeros are there? 3 0. So count is 0. 3 zeros are there. So what we will write here? 3 bar. Just simple. Here only 1 0 is there, so your answer is 1 bar. Here how many zeros are there? 1, 2 and 3. So your answer is 3 bar 0.8927. Are you getting my point? Okay. Likewise, you can find another values. Okay. So you will not use this generally in physics, but generally we will take 1 2 3 4 means 4 digit, 2 digits, 1 digit values, and we will find the logarithm. Okay. I want to continue topic, next topic, which is anti-logarithm, but right now I am not taking here. We will see in the next class. Okay. So your homework, or we can say your work, is you can take any digits, 3 digit, 4 digit, 5 digits, and find its logarithm value. Okay. So right now I am stopping here. Hope you will understand it, and thank you very much.